Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we are making Kwacoco, and if you're new around here, do not forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and also put on the notification bell. That way you will be notified whenever I upload new videos.
Time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a machine, I'd come and get you.
Okay guys, we're going to make some cocoyams. You can see how dry some of this cocoyam was, but it was a little fresh inside, so it was all useful. Thank God.
I wish that you were mine.
So go ahead and peel the cocoyam skin, guys. Peel it, and we are going to grate the cocoyam. If you're like me, you need to be careful with this step because I cannot count the number of times I have actually hurt myself doing this. So be careful, guys, please.
Cause time moves on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you.
We also need some pepper.
I miss you all the time. I wish
some ginger and garlic. There is my already blended pepper. There's some Maggi seasoning. We need salt. We need fish, smoked fish, which I boil again. We need some vegetable. I'm using turnip green there. We need some palm oil, and that is my cocoyam. So go ahead and add some salt.
Jet planes in the night sky with you.
Add some
getting high in the sunrise with you. Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine.
Pepper, ginger and
cause
garlic
time moves
paste.
on, and now you're gone. Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all
And mix well.
time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine.
What you see I'm doing there is I'm adding the fish without adding the broth.
Getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, now I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine.
ahead and add some palm oil.
Oh, if only I could build a time machine, I'd come and get you. I can't forget you. I miss you, I miss you, I miss you all the time. I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you.
Just added some crayfish. I'm sorry I didn't show that in the list of ingredients. Then I'm going to add my vegetable. The vegetable is optional. I like vegetable in my coffee corn, my coffee beans, also
jet planes in the night sky with you, getting high in the sunrise with you, getting through all the bad times with you. I wasn't missing a thing, no I do. And I wish that I could build a time machine, 'cause time moves on, and now you're gone.
we're all done with the mixing part. Now it's time to wrap the Kwacoco. What I'm using there is aluminum foil paper and also plastic paper to line it, that I line it with, to make it easy when it's done for me to be able to just lose it. It makes it come out smoothly.
I wish that you were mine. I miss you, I miss you,
Are you still watching? Did you learn something, or have you learned something? How about you go ahead and hit the subscribe button and also the notification bell. That way you will be notified when I upload videos. It's free, guys. Just hit it. When we're done rubbing, place the pot on the stove. Add a little bit of water at a time. I'm gonna let it cook for about an hour or so, and I'll be adding just a little bit of water at a time. That is so that the water don't get too high up and get into my Kwacoco. That would be nice, guys. Maybe you want to let it get cold. Don't be like me. Yeah, let it get cold before you try opening it, guys. Right now I'm burning my hands for no reason. subscribe. And I see you in my next video. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And if you're watching on Facebook, follow my page and also on Instagram. Thank you. See you next time. Au revoir.